What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa bandang Mission Souls, yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na pinamagatang Stay. Ayan, napakaganda nitong awitin nito guys. Marami malamang sa inyo ang nakaka-relate dito sa kantang to. Huwag na natin pagtagalin pa, sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Nakagulat, bass ang hawak ngayon ni Nisha. Siya ngayon ang bahista dito. Palit sila ni Daddy Second. Si Daddy Second naman ang gitara.
You say I only hear what I want to.
Napakaswabe ng boses ni Mama Sheena, no? Sarap pakinggan.
And you say it talks all the time. So
Swabe rin nung plucking ni Daddy Second, tsaka strumming ni Stacy. Ang ganda ng tunog ng gitara nila. Tsaka pansin ko lang may gamit din na kapos si dito, si Daddy Second sa gitara niya.
and I thought what I felt was simple, and I thought that I don't belong, and now
Napaka-astig ding bass player ni Nisha, no? Pero guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, napakalupit sa gitara niyan. Kung mapapanood nyo lang yung mga niya, ibang kanta nila, makikita nyo doon kung gaano siya kalupit mag-adlib. Ayan, panoorin nyo guys sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood.
that I am leaving. Now I know that I did something wrong, 'cause I missed you. Yeah, yeah.
Astig din ng palo ng drums ni Ice dito. At saka yung keyboard ni ni Naces. Ang ganda rin ng gamit niya effects.
I missed you.
Yan, no?
You say I only
Gusto ko yun, yung plucking ni Stacy na yan. Gayang-gaya sa original. Ganun yung tunog.
hear what I want to.
Plakado.
I don't listen hard. Don't pay attention to the distance that you're running. To anyone, anywhere. I don't understand. If you really care, I'm only hearing negative. No, 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 bad.
Clean tone sila ngayon, Wala ka masyadong maririnig na distortion. Ganun, ang ganda ng tunog nila ngayon. Napakalinis.
So I turned the radio on, I turned the radio up, and this woman was singing my song. Lovers in love, and
Astig no? Yung bassline ni Nisha na yan.
the others run away. Lover is crying 'cause the other won't stay. Some of us harbor one, we're weeping for the other who is dying since the day they were born. Well, this is not
Diba guys, hindi lang pang-rock ang bandang Mission Souls. Kahit anong genre guys, ang ipatugtog mo sa kanila talagang kakayanin nila. Napaka-talented talaga ng pamilyang to.
that I think that I'm throwing, but I'm thrown. And I thought I'd live forever, but now I'm not too sure. Try to tell me that I'm clever, that won't take me anyhow or anywhere
Ayun no, hataw na naman yung ampas ni Ice sa cymbals.
with you. You said that I was naive, and I thought that I was strong. No,
Parang simpleng-simple lang mag-bass kay kay Nisha. Sa tingin ko lang parang mas na-challenge siya pagka electric guitar yung kanyang hawak. Itong bass parang lang sa kanya, yung maning-mani lang.
thought, hey, I can leave, oh, but now I know that I was wrong, 'cause I missed you. Yeah, I missed you.
Itong kantan to, madalas nire-request din to sa mga bar Madalas din tugtugin sa mga live band.
You said you call me 'cause you want me, and the day you let me go, you try to give it away and keep it, or keep it 'cause you know you're just so scared to lose.
Ganda nung second voice ni Stacy.
And you say stay.
napaka-smooth. Sarap pakinggan. Sarap ulit-ulitin tong kanta na to.
You say I only hear what I want to.
Grabe. Napakalinis. Plakado, napaka-smooth ng cover na to. Ang kulit ni Aiza. Ayan guys, isa na namang malupit na cover song ang inyo nasaksihan mula sa bandang Mission Souls. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, mag-subscribe na kayo. Andiyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel, suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang kanta. At kung mahilig ka naman sa mga ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating munting channel para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.